Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you, thank you, thank you. So today I have a new box to my channel. It's called Free Reign Beauty Box. I don't know where I found it, if I was just thumbing through Facebook or Instagram and I just found it, thought I'd like it, and added it to my channel. So I will leave the price below as to how much it is, and let's get into it. So it comes in this cute little packaging and it says for the queen of the house. I don't know if you can see it if it's too light. And there is a card in there and it says, "This queen rules shall prevail over all other. Queen rules the queen." And on the back are all the products that are in this box. So let's get into it. Got some tissue paper. And it says, I don't even know where I found this box. And the first thing is explosive look, aspect, and is it a mascara? Looks like a mascara. Let's check the back of the card. It is I'm Natural Argan Explosive Look Mascara. And it retails for $11.50, and it's black mascara with natural argan oil. Now that is a big mascara. And then there's the directions on the back. So that was the first thing in the box. And then there's some cards in here. Kago lip balm. Refills, I guess it tells you how to put in the refills. Is this the refill? This might be the refill. And then there's a body polish by Winter. Body polish. Now I gotta open it. Wow. That's what it looks like. And it smells good. We got the Winter Lavish Bath Company Body Polish Winter Fun, and that retails for $14.95. And then this Pogo Ocean Wave Refillable Lip Balm, Natural Breeze. And that's what this is. This is interesting because I don't know how to do this. So I'll have to figure that one out. And then we have this. Is the Box Cosmetics Wet Dry Eyeshadow in Ilona Sis. And you can use this wet or dry. That's the color. It doesn't have a price on it. And then we have Poopery Before You Go. And it looks like a travel size. And that must just be a little gift because I don't see that in there. And then got this palette by the box. So let's see what's in there. It's definitely an interesting box. I don't know if it was a mystery box, so I didn't know what was in there, which I'm assuming it was a mystery box. And I will have to look up and see what I paid for this. But it's always fun to get mystery box, especially around the holiday time. And this is what the outside looks like. Very sleek. Oh, it's got a mirror. And it must be like an eyeshadow refill, because there's a, yeah, so you refill your eyeshadows in here. So there's two sides, so I guess this one would just go right in there. So if you collect these kind of eyeshadows, you can just put them right in this really nice case. So that's pretty cool. I, to be honest, never heard of these eyeshadows, so I got, and that would be on the card here. It is the Box Cosmetics. This retails for $36, and you can get 25% off the eyeshadows to fill your case. And then we got the mascara, and we got the potpourri, retails for $7, and this eyeshadow is $18, and this was my favorite that retails for $15. And then we got this refillable lip balm for $12. So it wasn't a bad mystery box. I don't think it's something that I would order again, because I don't use these type of eyeshadows. So, but let me know what you thought. Leave in the comments below. Again, this is my favorite in the whole box. So, as always, thanks for watching, and you guys have an awesome day.